If anything opportunity can, they tell you go to online, go and submit in online. A lot. We have done a lot for this party, and we are expecting something meaningful. We haven't seen anything. We have our colleagues who are not working up to date. As I'm talking, a lot of people have gotten a lot of jobs. They have gotten a lot of jobs, but now, as I'm talking, none of us have received even a contract.
Yeah, police, this year, immigration this year, customs this year.
You are all welcome to this educational program. You are all welcome to Truth Telling Time. Now, before anything, let me say a big thanks to all our followers, both on Facebook and on YouTube, those who have subscribed to our channel, making sure that the message go further and further. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you will see your subscribe button. It will be in red color. It means you have not yet subscribed to this channel. So quickly go down there, press on the subscribe button. It will turn black. Wait a bit, the bell will pop up. You click on it. It means you have subscribed, and you turn on the notification bell, which will give you a sign. It will notify you anytime we are live on YouTube or anytime we've uploaded a video. Thank you very much. Now to the matter. I am Sister Dakoba. I am a one person, and I think I am the only one person who doesn't see. I am the only one person who doesn't see Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to be somebody who can rule Ghana better if any day he is elected as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Yes, I may sound stupid, I may sound unwise, I may sound childish to you, but there are reasons to what I'm saying. Okay, not so long ago, we heard in Honorable Kennedy Agyapong on his TV station Net 2 exposing pastors, exposing native daughters about criminal things they do here in Ghana. He claimed to have their pictures, he claimed to have evidence about them, he claims to have their videos, audios, and all those things. But Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is not an ordinary Ghanaian. He is a lawmaker. He is a member of parliament. And I think he is on the National Security Committee. He is on that committee, I think. So, if any criminal activity is ongoing in Ghana and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, you have a proof to those actors. I, Sister Dakoba, I am the only person who doesn't think that the best place Honorable Kennedy Agyapong should address such issue is on his TV station. The best place is at the police station. Go to the police station, report the issue, and you have the evidence. So the police will invite the suspect. They will interrogate the suspect. When the person, the thing is not clear, they'll send the person to court, and you will go and prove yourself. But Honorable Kennedy Agyapong doesn't do that. He rather go to his TV station and talk and get online views. Yes. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is an NPP member, and he said something on Adum TV. He said something on Adum TV about the hardship the peoples of Ghana are undergoing, especially in this Nana Akufo-Addo second term. Yes, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. So I again will be asking the question, why don't you tell this thing to the chief of staff, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? If you have problem, you have challenges about the way your government, about the way your party NPP is ruling the ordinary Ghanaian, why don't you take the issue to parliament? Why don't you take the issue to the Jubilee House, where the chief of staff is, where the president of the republic is? Let's listen to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. We'll be back.
Big time because of duties. Just say duties what Ghana say is eroding the fortunes of this government.
Why the money buy?
Why the money buy? Who can be here? And I went to Ghana Revenue Authority. They say well, they've given them 39 billion. Now see, amount 39 billion. Say, I was so for the year. It doesn't mean that you have to raise prices with your CTN and San one make it. Listen, we can go Dubai way, Singapore way by reducing, to attract a lot of people to bring goods into this country.
The more you keep saying your mama idea, it's not good for the country.
Opinion. Let me tell you, your mommy a Juma $4 million. Between duty $800,000. And some Kotia withholding tax. See the NASA conform because it's $1 and the Kotia supplier. Hey, please, Jajai, and for politics, man. Then I said I'm a Buasia Frontier. And I was moving, I went to Minister of Energy, Missing your man, Benjamin Oporto. I won't clear it. I won't do it. Men, your man, a capoto. They need a new man for home rural education. But I am not going to pay $800,000 for $4 million contract that would maybe the Missika could do 6 months to 1 year in America. I won't do it. Mammy, what be question? Ghana and ye, Mr. President, Mr. Chief of Staff, Mr. Finance Minister, Mr. Management Team, especially the Vice President, Safo Mafu, and Dr. Akoto Pose. Look, what would you have? Enra, IMF, the economy is good. The bottom is not good. Kufu Abreso, please, man, let me talk. And you may shame me who share the way and Ghana Fosi Kasa. Enra, Deputy Minister, but maybe I didn't say, or catch him plane. Who wouldn't say, who a problem? I'm on the monka. Can I Japan one or catch him plane? Say. Ni nyonko o MPP ni catching straight say na ye to about businessman be to about my Council of State woman empowerment was it as I was leaving my house to your house MPP Adaman supporter catch him say oh ye to about on to obetina fie onko to ma NDC on to say mama what ma NDC same thing happened to it what bank the IMF what say you mo maybe because like na IMF for IMF for MPP for 10 years. Anytime you are doing well. You are satisfying the world impression, which honestly I know we are doing well. I'll come to that. But let it reflect in the people's pocket. Christmas dries. Why? Why? I promise because it was me go because I can't do it. I don't have the money. Many people said I make a no. Jack. Yes, we can't catch Maria. Don't remember. David, you duties in the too much. What is this? Who the camera of watching IMF for? Say you are doing well.
Ladies and gentlemen, you might have known Honorable Kennedy Agyapong more than I do. And we all, at all times, hear the kinds of interviews he grants. So I am the one person who doesn't believe that he can rule this nation better if he becomes a president. Because now that you have the chance to be a lawmaker, not just a parliamentarian, you are also a member of a committee. You are an old practitioner. You have been in parliament for years. So what do you do one-on-one with your party to make sure that Ghanaians have the liberty? Ghanaians are able to get at least 2 times food a day. What are you doing to make sure that at least 2 times a day Ghanaians can eat? You don't do that. You only go to TV stations, radio stations, and go and talk. Talk is cheap, man. Talk is cheap. Take action. Ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to your brother Sister Dakoba. This indeed is a truth-telling time. You can't say truth-telling time, we respond brain at work. Truth-telling time, brain at work. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for choosing this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for sharing it with others, making sure that Africa is liberated, Ghana is liberated, the entire world is liberated. Thank you very much. We will meet again in another lesson. We will meet again. I'm the one speaking. I'm Sister Dakoba. My telephone number is 054-123-2463. Thank you very much. Let's meet again on another episode. Yebe Sinshia.